I've been struggling to get this oven door back in for the past 45 minutes. The problem is when you put the new hinges on, they're not locked out. They're free. So you need to put the pin in. And there's lots of ways to put a pin in. And there's the other hole to put the pin in, but it's not that hole, it's this hole. And the hinge needs to look like that once you've done it. So you can see I was pinning the wrong hole on the right. This is the hole on the left. The interior part of the hinge needs to be close to the tip of it. That's how it works. This is the old hinge. So all that needs to be compressed up with this coming towards there. And don't use that hole, use this hole. Absolutely infuriating. But she should go in now. Also, I had bought a new door, complete with new hinges because I got a good price, but it wouldn't fit because the hinges for my older type Smeg oven are different. These are the new type hinges with a catch. There's a, where are we? There. There's a catch there which you flick to open and close. So I bought the older style hinges for the new door, but that didn't fit either because there's two mounting screws here. These go into the body of the hinge. But on the older type, there's only one, focus, sorry I can't tap the screen, there's only one hole for screwing into, as you can see from the bottom. Only one hole, which is screws into the bottom of the old type hinge. So there we are, and now hopefully this is going to fit in here and go in there, and I could get on with my life.